Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Aurangabad started agricultural engineering degree program. This department having 3 program: BTech in agricultural engineering, MTech in food processing technology, and BVoc in food processing. Under the department there are 2 micro enterprises: MIT Center for Analytical Research and Studies, and second one MIT Agriculture Research and Demonstration Center. This is recognized center by Department of Agriculture as a state level laboratory from Government of Maharashtra and Central Pollution Control Board, New Delhi. Center working for the National Agriculture Development Program as well as National Sustainable Agriculture Mission. Under that mission, almost 1 lakh soil health card that is to be issued every year from this center. This is one of the uniqueness of this center. Under this enterprise, there are support for the patent filing, IPR filing, and the student project incubation, research incubation, as well as startup policies. This micro enterprise, which is known as MIT Agriculture Research and Demonstration Center. This enterprise having aim to field practices to the students and demonstration to the farmers and growing the different varieties, particularly in precision agriculture, protective agriculture, and hydroponic systems. This enterprise lies in the area of 19 acres, out of which 68,000 square feet area that is utilized for the protective agriculture. Out of this 1 acre field that is to be utilized for the greenhouse, 20,000 square feet area that is utilized for the nutrient film technology, which is dedicated for the exotic vegetables. Students also established their brand, that is MIT Green Harvest, and getting very good income. This entire farm that totally automized, and it is based on the Israeli agriculture technology.
We have designed here one equipment, microbial oxidative degradation analyzer. We have designed here, executed here, and filed one patent using the data analysis, generated data analysis from this equipment on the effect of molecular weight of polymers on the degradation rate. In this subject, we have filed last year one patent using this equipment.
Tractor, Farm Power and Machinery Laboratory. The laboratory is developed for conducting the practicals related to tractor systems and controls and farm machinery implements. The students are given demonstration of various tractor cut sections, different tractor systems and engines, also various advanced farm machinery equipments. Through this lab, department provides the facility of research, operation, maintenance and training regarding the various farm machineries, starting from sowing to the harvesting.
Welcome to Food Engineering Laboratory of MIT CARS. This lab basically is an ABL accredited lab, and we can say that this is a multi-purpose lab. We run various projects of MTech students also here who are applying for various patents, and many of them have also got the patent. Then we help for the analysis of food and food related products to industries, enterprises and also local vendors of Aurangabad and nearby areas. Along with that, we also work on research projects and research samples of various students and researchers who are willing to get their samples inspected and analyzed. In this laboratory, we mainly focus on proximate analysis. Along with that, various of the aspects which are related to research.
Agricultural Process Engineering Laboratory. This laboratory is well equipped with machineries and equipments related to post-harvest management of agricultural produce. Students perform different practicals related to unit operations in agricultural process engineering in this lab for demonstration and experimental work. This laboratory also have working models of material handling equipments and systems, so students get knowledge of industrial processes by experiments in this laboratory.
Soil and Water Conservation Engineering Laboratory. In this lab, agricultural students are performing the practicals related to the soil and water conservation engineering and soil and water conservation structures. Here, various cut models are available such as canal drop spillway, dam structures are available, and these are available for demonstrating purpose and conducting practicals related to the soil and water conservation engineering. Farmers are also visiting in this lab, and we are providing them the knowledge about soil and water conservations, and the harvesting structures are demonstrated here.
We have developed irrigation and drainage laboratory with optimum use of whatever the natural resources available like soil and water. We have hydroponic systems where students they work to develop the hydroponic plants as well as vegetables. We have additionally automatic weather station to record different weather parameters.
Laboratory on wheel. This is one of the extension activity. Student and faculty member goes to the villages along with this vehicle and collect the samples. They connect the farmers and have attend the meetings. Student they are supporting all these activity and submitted report to the farmer at the same day.
Come, explore and understand MIT Aurangabad.